when we talk about fat, the most thing is we comes into our picture is triglyceride आ जाता है, cholesterol आ जाता है, but nobody talks about good benefits of fat.
But how you decide how much oil you can eat?
That depends from your height, weight. That's what you prescribe.
What is
On an average, say around 6 teaspoon per day. That includes your ghee, cheese, butter, घर का मलाई. Why 6 teaspoon? Because this is visible fat. यानी हमको दिखता है. By nature, right from your cereals to your pulses to your non-veg sources, सब में fat by nature है. So उसको छोड़ के मैं 6 teaspoon बोल रही हूँ. अगर टोटल कैलकुलेट करने को बैठेगा तो our consumption is on very high side. That's called visible sources and invisible sources. So 5 to 6 teaspoon. If you are not suffering from any other ailments, condition of regular individuals with your minimal activities of 30 minutes every day. First हम थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते हैं what are fats, types of fats. कौन सा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके मन में आया होगा कौन सा ऑयल यूज करना है. सो दैट दिस स्लाइड विल क्लियर ऑन दैट. SFA इज बैड, सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड. व्हाट आर दी सोर्सेस? बटर, चीज, वनस्पति जो बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स में रहता है एंड योर ऑर्गन मीट्स. इसलिए बोला था मैदा, बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स जितना हो सके उतना मिनिमल क्वांटिटी में खाना है, नॉट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ SFA. They are also very good of trans fatty acids. We won't go into details, but there is one more fat called TFA, trans fatty acids, जो हमको minimal zero खाना है. It is not recommended, but we are consuming at the higher level. The second is PUFA, poly unsaturated fatty acid. वो क्या करता है बॉडी? जो SFA वो बैड है, यानी वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल को भी बढ़ाता है, ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स को बढ़ाता है, सब लिपिड प्रोफाइल को हेवायर करता है. जो PUFA है वो क्या करता है? बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करता है, साथ ही गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल को भी कम करता है. यानी HDL, LDL. LDL is your bad cholesterol, HDL is your good cholesterol. So what are your sources? Safflower, sunflower, corn and soybean. The soybean oil comes here. Okay?
What fish?
Fish, sorry.
Fish.
Yeah, you can consume good source
That's
of
what
omega
PUFA
3.
is.
Yes, it's a very good source of omega 3 also. Fish is good. Method of cooking. Coconut comes into the picture. So
Steam is better.
yeah, good. But not necessarily everybody does that. So make sure that it is up to us when we make a good food, good or bad. So have fish on regular basis, no issues, thrice, 4 times in a week, but change your method of cooking. We fry them at times, we add coconut to it, तो वो restrict करना है. So which is the healthy choice of oil? The last one, MUFA, which is monounsaturated fatty acid, because it decreases your LDL but doesn't touch your HDL. यानी वो गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल को हाथ नहीं लगाता है, वो खाली अपना LDL को कम करता है. Terms and conditions applied only if you are restricting the quantity. This is we are talking about quality. Okay, so which are the oils? Olive oil, but in Indian cooking, olive oil very expensive is one factor. The other factor, it doesn't go well with our Indian spices. So the other option is double filtered groundnut oil or rice bran oil or til oil, mustard oil. I mean mustard oil is very there's peculiar flavor. Not everybody will like to consume that. So the best oil is rice bran oil, groundnut oil, or til oil. Rice bran oil is one of the good oils you can consume. And once you buy 15 liters of can, say it gets over in 1.5-2 months, change over to some other oil. Keep on changing every 3 months. Clear?
Yeah.
So fat is bad?
No.
What happens when you eat out?
Same oil.
Whenever you eat out, I will consider that as a junk food. Junk food यानी empty calories. Empty calories यानी वो carbohydrate protein नहीं दे रहा है. Direct body में जाके energy देके fat में convert हो रहा है. So whatever you eat out is considered as junk food, deprived of the adequate nutrients. What happens when you eat out? Eating food from outside increases the chances of free radical damage, thereby causing damage to the heart and also cancer provoke हो सकता है. Okay. Secondly, when you eat out, they reuse the oil. That is again more dangerous. So eating out, free radical ज़्यादा जा रहा है खाने में. Fruits भूल रहे हैं, जिसमें antioxidant है to nullify this. आप लोग correlate कर पा रहे हो? You're eating out. You're not taking your fruits and vegetables in required amount, जिसमें वो antioxidants है इसको nullify करने के लिए. So this is how we are leading an unhealthy lifestyle. So eat out, but moderation is the key word. Nuts. Choose smartly. How much to be consumed? Fistful. This is the easy to remember. इतना रोज खाना है, उसमें भी choice करना है. More of almonds, walnuts. बाकी है जो cashew nuts है, पिस्ता है, coconut है, peanuts है, उसको restrict करना है.
But with almonds you put on weight, no? No.
No food is good or bad.
Then fistful every day.
You have combination with no other ailments suffering. This also clear. I mean, this will vary. अगर diabetes है तो vary करेगा, hypertension है तो vary करेगा.
A lot of dietitians say that's supposed to be had in the morning.
Yeah, it can be consumed with your breakfast. Most of us forget to have nuts. It is better. I will recommend carry this fistful in your tiffin or along with your bags. You can have it throughout the day. But in between nibbling can be done because usually it's observed we have long gaps between our meals. We skip water, we skip meals. यानी breakfast लिया, बाद में fire के बाद lunch करते, बाद में then we go back because in between fruits भी भूल जाते हैं. Fruits we never carry. So start carrying fruits, start carrying nuts. Our GI problems will go down. Ulcer है, acidity है, just go down. So nuts, fistful. Fiber. Where is Anirudh? Oats comes here. Very good source of fiber. Vegetable, fruits, all good sources of fiber. क्या होता है fiber से? Satiety value. यानी हमारा पेट भरा हुआ रहता है. Helps in weight. जब पेट भरा हुआ रहेगा तो weight maintenance में वजन कम करने में मदद करेगा. It also fiber has proven it avoids or prevents colon cancer. A type of a cancer. Colon is a part of your intestine. Okay, constipation relief करता है because you have good amount of fiber, good amount of water, it relieves the constipation. Other advantages are blood pressure, lipid profile जो रहता है यानी cholesterol, triglycerides उसको maintain करता है and blood sugars को भी maintain करता है. So sources are your whole grains. यानी अपना नाचनी, बाजरा, wheat है. तो what are whole grains? The moment we sieve the flour, our fiber is lost in the strainer. Do not यानी अपने flour को छानना नहीं है. Oats है, fruits है, vegetables है. मैं रोज soup पीती हूँ. Somebody will say मैं रोज soup पीती हूँ, पर छान के पीती हूँ. I drink every day my antioxidant by having juices, but I'm straining my juices and having only sugar. So fiber plays an important role in your constipation, your GI, in your blood sugars, as well as your lipid profile. यानी आपका cholesterol, triglycerides. Okay.
What about outside juices like Tropicana and all?
See, read labels. Nutrition label is very important because sugar is usually there on higher amount. They are usually low in fiber. So you are paying more and getting poison in return. So if nothing is available, fair enough, but it should not be a regular routine basis. Going for natural
outside
foods.
sources of fiber that one has in the night.
Isabgol, yeah, that can.
That's okay.
That indicates there is some problem with your diet. You're not able to meet your requirement. That is when we prescribe isabgol or maybe many
It's
other.
not easy to monitor in this urban lifestyle.
Yeah, that is okay. It can be. You add oats to your chapatis. Your one task is done. Because then you are getting dependent on your external source. Good, isabgol is a natural has no issues. But try having natural fruits, vegetables. In this climate, at least for 3 months, start having